Mm, today I want to talk about xenophobia. I know many people know it. It's something very simple. It is just fear of unknown. That you want to do something, but you have a lot of conclusions, predictabilities, and mostly these predictabilities always give you a negative answer, and this causes you to have anxiety. So probably you want to quit your job, but because of xenophobia, you start thinking that, like, what if I quit? Then my side hustles don't go well. What if I quit? Then this and this happens. That is known as xenophobia, and it gives you anxiety. Pia, those that they want to start something, you want to start blogging, you want to start vlogging, you want to start a side hustle, but xenophobia, it always like limits you to do anything that you wish. So conquer it, go for it, and all will be well.